Step into the world of creativity and craftsmanship with these incredible walking stick handles you've never seen before. From classic wooden designs to modern artistic masterpieces, this video showcases the most unique, stylish, and beautifully detailed cane handles that truly stand out. Whether you're a woodcraft lover, a collector, or just someone who appreciates fine design, you're going to be amazed by these stunning creations. Each handle tells a story of skill, style, and imagination, turning a simple walking stick into a true work of art. Backhand index pointing right watch till the end to discover the most extraordinary designs and get inspired to create or collect your own unique walking sticks. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing woodcraft and creative design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly special. Incredible walking stick handles you must check out. Whether you're a passionate woodworker, a craft enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates beautiful handmade art, you're in for a real treat. We'll be exploring some of the most unique, artistic, and finely crafted walking stick handles from around the world. Designs that blend tradition, elegance, and imagination in every detail. So sit back, relax, and let's take a closer look at these stunning creations that turn ordinary walking sticks into timeless pieces of art. And before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing woodcraft inspirations just like this. Walking sticks are far more than just tools for balance and support. They're timeless symbols of elegance, craftsmanship, and personal style. Throughout history, a well-crafted walking stick has represented confidence, sophistication, and even power. In this video, we explore some of the most incredible walking stick handles ever designed, creations that turn simple materials into breathtaking works of art. Every walking stick handle tells a story. Some are born from centuries-old traditions, passed down through families of skilled artisans. Others are inspired by modern innovation, where imagination meets precision tools and fresh materials. Together, they reveal the beauty that lies in craftsmanship and creativity, a balance of function and form that never fails to impress. When you look closely at a walking stick handle, you realize that it's more than a grip. It's the soul of the stick. It's the part that connects hand to art, comfort to design, and tradition to innovation. From the gentle curves of hand-carved wood to the smooth coolness of polished metal, every detail matters. The materials used to craft these handles are as diverse as their styles. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, and ebony give strength and warmth to each design. Exotic woods with natural patterns, such as rosewood or mahogany, add richness and character. Then there are metal handles cast or sculpted from brass, silver, or bronze, offering durability with a touch of classic charm. In this video, you'll see how artisans combine materials in fascinating ways. Some designs blend wood with metal inlays, creating stunning contrast between natural grain and polished shine. Others feature accents of resin, horn, or even gemstone pieces, transforming walking stick handles into luxurious art forms. Every artisan has a unique approach to design. Some prefer realistic carvings, handles shaped into the heads of animals like eagles, lions, or dragons, symbolizing courage and freedom. Others lean toward abstract and geometric styles, letting shapes and curves speak for themselves. Each handle is a signature of the maker's imagination. The process of creating these handles is slow and meticulous. It starts with selecting the perfect material, a piece of wood with the right texture, weight, and grain. Then, using carving tools and patience, the artisan brings the shape to life. Hours of sanding, polishing, and finishing follow until the handle feels smooth, balanced, and beautiful in the hand. What makes walking stick handles truly incredible is how they connect art to purpose. They aren't just for decoration. They must feel comfortable, sturdy, and reliable. A good handle doesn't only look good, it fits naturally in the hand and provides the right support. The best designs are those that balance beauty with usability. In the collection you'll see today. Every handle showcases that perfect blend of art and function. Some designs carry traditional elegance, inspired by Victorian or Edwardian styles. Others push the boundaries of modern creativity, using bold colors, intricate patterns, or unconventional shapes that make you look twice. Walking stick handles can also hold deep personal meaning. Some are custom-made to commemorate special moments, a gift for a loved one, a celebration of craftsmanship, or a piece made to reflect one's journey in life. Each curve, engraving, and texture holds emotion, memory, and meaning within it. Over time, walking sticks have evolved from simple tools to prized collector's items. Enthusiasts and collectors around the world admire their beauty, trading and showcasing rare designs. Many people don't even use them for walking. They display them proudly in their homes, museums, or art exhibitions as symbols of human creativity. Some walking stick handles are inspired by nature, featuring flowing lines that resemble vines, leaves, and branches. Others capture the essence of animals and mythological creatures, turning every stick into a storytelling piece. When you hold one, it's as if you're holding a piece of art that's been alive for centuries. As you watch this video, pay attention to the fine details, the curves, the engravings, and the smooth finishes. Each mark and polish represents countless hours of dedication. You'll be amazed at how these small, precise touches come together to form something truly extraordinary. The beauty of walking stick handles lies in their individuality. No two are ever exactly alike. Even when made by the same artist, each piece carries subtle differences. A small curve here, a lighter shade there, that make it unique. That individuality is what makes handcrafted art so special in today's world, where machines can mass-produce anything. Handcrafted walking stick handles remind us of the importance of human touch. They celebrate patience, skill, and the love of creating something by hand, a tradition that deserves to be cherished and passed on to future generations. For woodcraft enthusiasts, this video is a treasure trove of ideas. Whether you're designing your own walking stick or simply admiring the artistry, these incredible handles will inspire you to think beyond the ordinary. They show that even a small detail can carry great impact when crafted with care and imagination. That you'll also see how modern artists are experimenting with new techniques, combining laser carving, resin art, and 3D modeling to design walking stick handles that blend old-world craftsmanship with contemporary innovation. The result is a collection of styles that feels both timeless and futuristic. As we showcase these designs, remember that each one began as a simple idea, a vision in the mind of an artist. Through skill, dedication, and artistry, that idea became something tangible, something remarkable. That's the true magic of craftsmanship, turning imagination into something you can hold in your hand. Stay tuned as we reveal some of the most incredible walking stick handles you must check out. Let yourself be inspired by their beauty, their elegance, and their craftsmanship. And if you love what you see, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative and artistic content right here on Woodcraft Ideas, where every creation tells a story. Thank you so much for watching our video. Amazing walking stick handles you have to see. I'm truly grateful for your time and support. It means the world that you've chosen to spend a few moments with us exploring these stunning creations. Each walking stick handle you've seen today reflects not only remarkable artistry, but also the timeless beauty of craftsmanship that turns everyday items into works of art. Your engagement and curiosity inspire us to keep discovering and sharing the most extraordinary designs from around the world. These walking stick handles are more than just practical accessories. They're a reflection of creativity, culture, and individuality. Each one tells a story, from elegant wooden carvings that carry the warmth of nature, to beautifully designed metal and resin handles that showcase innovation and modern flair. Behind every design lies a dedicated artisan whose hands and imagination have transformed raw materials into something truly remarkable. Appreciating these works reminds us how creativity and skill can elevate even the simplest objects into treasures. That I also want to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the talented makers and designers whose efforts make these incredible handles possible. Their artistry, patience, and vision breathe life into their creations and preserve the beauty of craftsmanship for generations to come. Without their passion and attention to detail, we wouldn't have the chance to admire such unique and inspiring pieces. Each design showcases a blend of functionality, comfort, and style. A perfect reminder that beauty can exist in the things we use every day. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing craftsmanship like this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating content that celebrates creativity, design, and artistry. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next videos filled with inspiring ideas and incredible handmade works from talented creators around the world. Your feedback and interaction mean everything to us, so please leave a comment below telling us which handle caught your eye the most. We're constantly inspired by your enthusiasm and love for unique, handcrafted designs. Every like, comment, and subscription encourages us to go further, explore deeper, and share even more extraordinary creations. Our goal is to build a community that celebrates innovation, skill, and beauty in every form. And that wouldn't be possible without amazing viewers like you. Thank you for being part of this journey and for supporting our vision. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching and joining us today. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep exploring the world of art and craftsmanship with us. We have many more fascinating videos coming soon that you won't want to miss. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and always remember, there's beauty in every detail if only you take a moment to see it.